Hey guys, welcome to an overview of FaceDominator. FaceDominator is the most powerful Facebook marketing software in 2017 since it gives you an ability to manage your multiple accounts. You can send a auto request to grow your friends. You can also automate your posts on Facebook using this software. You can also send direct messages to your friend, and there are so many other features which this software is having which helps you in your Facebook marketing. So let me just give you a walkthrough of the ultimate features this software is having so that you can understand how it helps in your Facebook marketing. So this software is the first feature which it's having is an ability to manage multiple accounts. So as we can see in accounts manager, we can add multiple accounts, we can add single account, multiple accounts, we can filter the accounts, select them, or if we want we can update the details like friends, groups, own pages. We can if we don't want to run the accounts in the software, we can simply delete them here, and many other things we can do with the account manager section. Then this is one of the main feature which every Facebook marketer needs, and this is one of the main prime feature of FaceDominator, which helps you to grow your friends on on Facebook. So you can send friend requests on using FaceDominator with the keywords, or if you are looking to grow your friends based on some location, you can send requests based on location. Similarly, we have options like sending requests to active page members using the graph search URL, or sending requests to friends of friend, then a custom users list, or to grow your account normally you can also send requests to the suggested friends, also to the active group members. And then we have people who like posts of specific pages, specific groups, and several other options which are going to come in near future. You can and the one of the most important factor in sending this request is that you can configure how you want to automate the activities, like the number of requests you want to send in a day. You can automate, you can fix that as per your need. You can give a random count so that it don't look like a bot. You can decide the number of requests to be sent in a job so that it sends it don't send requests at once, and it keeps sending the requests at different intervals of time. Then you will get a filter. Then you can auto cancel the request if they do not get in if they do not accept in certain days. Then if you would like to grow a large base of friends, then you can send requests to unique users from each account, and you can even manage the blacklist using the software. So this is one of the most important feature of friend request, which is required by many Facebook marketer. Then you have got incoming friend requests. To accept or cancel the request, you can filter by locations, you can filter by gender, you can set the frequency of how much requests to be accepted in a day and all. Then you can if you want, you can clear your list of friends by using the unfriend module. You can filter here also. You can filter based on location, gender, or even if you want the people to be unfriend which has been added through the software, you can use these settings. Then the same way, just like the friend send request module, we have the job configurations here and rest of the settings so that it don't look like a bot. Then to get the engagement, you will need to share the post on Facebook. So FaceDominator comes with lots of options to share a post, to create a new post, like you can publish post on your timeline, friends timeline, groups, pages, events. You can also see that you can post on ordinary group, or even in the buy and sell group. You can post on own pages, or like you can give a review post to any page. Then you can post on events. You can create a single post if you want. You can create multiple posts if you want to add more and more posts here, which is quite easy and faster way. Then you can also configure how you want the post to be, at what time the post should be scheduled or posted on Facebook. Then you can configure rest of the settings to make it look like a normal activity. Then we are also having a feature to share, so that you can share from timeline, you can share from groups, newsfeed, custom list. Then you can share from friends timeline, or if you have any FaceDominator posting campaign, you can schedule from there, or you can schedule share a post from pages. Then you can write a custom message for your shares. You can also then you can decide the destination where you want to share, like on the timeline, friends timeline, groups, pages, events, private message, anything you can set here. Then you will see the configuration just like the other modules, which is where you decide the frequency of the post, the number of posts per day, per job. Then if you want to post using the RSS feed, you can configure the RSS feed here. You can set up the template, then the number of post configuration, where you want to post, own wall, friends wall, pages, groups, anything you can add here. Then if you want to if you are looking to send direct messages, you can see they have a send direct message option, where you can load the profiles URL of the people you want to send message. Or if you already have friends in your accounts, you can simply add the friends of those accounts in the database, and you can select from here. Then you can write down single message or multiple messages, and you can configure all the settings to send the messages at different intervals. Then we have FB groups feature, where you can join groups of your niche. You can means it will automatically find the group based on your keywords, or if you already have a list of script group URLs, you can simply upload them here, and the software will send the request from the accounts you loaded to those groups. With all this configuration you make, you can also filter the groups based on the minimum number of members. Then if you're an admin of any group, and if you want to add other admins to, you can also automate that thing. Here you can upload the group URLs, upload the profiles to whom you want to make admins. Then you can configure it, and it will start creating admins. Then to engage with your users, you can like or comment. You can decide which post you want to like or comment, like from the timeline, from groups, news feeds, custom post lists, friend timeline, FaceDominator campaigns, pages, etc. You can decide the pages from own account or own pages. Then you can also see here the reaction types have been added, like, love, haha. Then all the 6 action types reaction type has been added. You can also upload the comments here, and then just configure the settings to run to make the software run at different intervals. Then if you want to like the fan pages, you can also like the fan pages here. You can find and like fan pages by keywords using graph search URL, or the custom list if you are already having. You can also filter them based on like the settings which Facebook provides, like the pages which are liked by your friends, or verified pages based on categories. You can see all the categories has been added here, and just configure it. Then you can also see then that you can also like the websites here. You can like or comment on the web pages, like if you're already having any web page, then you can upload them here and like that web page, or with your accounts, or even you can comment on those web page just by configuring all the settings. Then we have FB Inviter, where you can invite people to groups with the profile URLs or emails. Then we have page inviter, where you can invite people the same way with the profile URLs, or even the people who have liked your page post. You can select the random post or specific post. Then you can invite people to your events with the profile URLs and emails. Then if you are looking to create multiple events, you can automate that too using FaceDominator. You can create events like public event, private event. If you are looking to create public event, you will get multiple options like live event by a profile or event by a page, and that's just configuring these settings, and you will be able to automate creating your events. Then if you are looking for the data from Facebook for your research or any other activity, then FaceDominator is having his inbuilt scraper, which can scrape data, like it can scrape groups, it can scrape comments, it can scrape fan pages, it can scrape profiles, and many other things. And all these things you can do with the campaigns. So if you want to run this activity on daily basis, you can simply select the account, or you can just simply select the account, create campaign, and it will get added to the campaigns list, where it will run on daily basis, so that you don't have to look means you can just configure it once and just leave it, and it will keep growing your Facebook accounts. It will keep growing your Facebook pages, and just do everything automatically for you, and giving you more engagements. So I hope now you have understood the power this software adds you to your Facebook marketing. So you should not wait and just get this software right away. Okay, I will just see you back in the next video. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.